Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this peach makeup look. To start off, I moisturize my face using a Mediheal mask. And once my skin has absorbed it, I proceeded to applying the foundation. Then I'm just gonna buff that in to even out my skin tone. Next, I'm going to apply concealer on my dark spots and pigmentation. As you can see, I'm taking my time. Then I'm going to buff the product in using a concealer brush that has dense bristles. Here you can see me applying a thin line of concealer on my forehead just to highlight it a bit and then dragging down the excess product on the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm applying a primer. It's the Mercier Real Edge Primer. It has a thin and creamy consistency and doesn't fully set, so I'm going to set it with a blush from Pony Effects in the color Lusty Singing. It's a light peach blush. Then I'm going to blend that on my lid and crease, above the crease, but I'm not going to be too precious about blending it. Next, I'm going to apply a lighter peach shade on the inner third of my lids. Then I'm going to dip into a deeper peach orange shade. Put that on the outer V. This will deepen the outer V area. Then using my fingers, I'm going to dip into this NG copper shade that has shimmer and some glitters. Then here I'm just building the color up because it's not that pigmented. Then I'm going to use a lighter peach glitter shade on my inner thirds. Then I'm going to take a brown gel eyeliner from Clinique and use that to tightline my eyelids. Then adding just a tiny bit of wing at the end, which I'm going to blend out with a small brush. Here I'm just evening out my skin tone and adding more concealer on areas with shadows or pigmentation. I'm also finessing the eye makeup and cleaning up with concealer. Then I'm going to set my makeup with the Mercier powder, focusing the powder on the center of my face where I don't want some shine. Then I'm just warming up my face and adding some depth and contour using the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Saddle. We're just adding that to the perimeters of my face to hide the double chin and sharpen my jawline a bit. Then I'm going in with a NARS blush in the shade Tempted and placing that over the contour, using that to accentuate the higher points of my cheeks. Then I'm going to use the same Pony FX blush that I used as an eyeshadow and place that just above the NARS blush, under my eyelids, and on the apples of my cheek to do a gradient blush. For my lips, I'm going to combine two lip colors. I'm just dabbing the lipstick all over my lips as a base. So it's a warmer corally shade, and then I'm going to apply the Peri Pera Nude Lip Tint in the shade 24. That's gonna lighten up the color and make it more peachy. Curling up my lashes here. Then I'm going to use the Clinique Lengthening Mascara. I'm just filling in the sparse areas with an Anastasia brow definer. It's in the shade Soft Brown. Okay, I thought I was done, so I removed my clip. And then I remembered I haven't applied highlighter yet. Here I am adding some highlights on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, upper lip, Cupid's bow, cheeks. I'm using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. I think Becca is now owned by Smashbox. And this is it. This is the look. It's just a very subtle hint of peach, and it's totally wearable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video. Bye!